Happy Friday! Happy Friday, you guys. Today, I got my work done fairly early. I'm heading out to hike with the dogs. Britt is going to join me. I'm just waiting for her to come out. It's freezing here today. It's in the 30s. But exhilarating and still in that mindset that the new year is upon us. However, last night I had something that was not on plan, and it wasn't like a planned thing. It was just, I felt super hungry last night. So it wasn't like a big deal, but it was to me because I've been so on plan. I had a little bit of peanut butter, and 1 spoon turned into 2, turned into 3. 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. And it wasn't like the all natural kind that was just ground peanuts. It was Skippy. So now it's like, you would think you would have to start all over again. But honestly, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, I think, has about 10 to 12 carbs. So, I didn't eat any like starchy carbs or sweets or something. It's just like, I don't know. I was giving Molly her pill. She takes it with peanut butter. I mean, it's normally not such a big trigger, but it was last night. Damn, I finished the night off with my brownie and then gave Molly her pill and had the peanut butter. So, I won't say that I have 3 days to get back into fat burn, but definitely, what the hell? It's so hard. And it's funny because in the group this morning, somebody was saying that because it's winter time now, or because the weather has gotten colder, people notice that they eat more. And I feel like, we as humans or creatures that typically put weight on in the winter, that's just survival. So when it does get cold, there's a couple of things. One, when it gets cold, our body naturally wants to store fat because it's cold and we need insulation. 2, I think we're programmed to eat more as like a survival mode. And 3, I don't know about you guys, but here in Jersey, it's dark before 5 o'clock. And when it's dark and you have like 5 o'clock until whenever you go to bed, it's like almost depressing because you can't be outside, like in the summertime, it's like 8:30 at night and the sun is still out and you can sit outside and enjoy the pool, go to the beach, be with family, ride your bike, go for walks. Like there's so much stuff to do outside. Here, right now in the winter time, it is just a sad situation because not only are we in a pandemic and we can't get out and do things that you would normally do in the winter, stroll through the mall, go to a restaurant, go bowling, things like that. We're like literally just stuck at home, and it stinks because for us foodies, that in itself can be a trigger. Some people also have seasonal depression. I don't think I do, although I definitely feel less motivated when it comes to moving around when it's really cold. And you guys know I love to move around. So those are some struggles that I'm dealing with right now. But I'm still excited because I'm still down the 3.3 pounds since January 1st. So I will keep a running tally of that. And let's just head out. Here comes Britt. We're going to head out and take the dogs, like I said, for a hike, and we're bundled. This hat, how cute is this? I posted it yesterday. It is a multicolored faux fur pom-pom that is detachable on this little beanie beret. I love it. So cute. And it's double lined, keeps the head nice and warm. So, you know what? Make yourself look nice, feel good about yourself, put on something cute, and get some exercise. I have my Apple Watch on, so I'm going to track the hike today, keep track of my steps, and we're off. I'll see you over at the park.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in that.
So I wanted to show you the big waterfall that I sat at the other day with the dogs. Isn't it pretty? So pretty. All right, girls. Tonight I'm going to be doing a lean and green for you. Stuffed chicken. Should be good. I haven't made this before, so I'm excited. Right, girls? Stuffed chicken. Oh my gosh, and the sun is out. It's beautiful today. Lots of people here with their dogs, right? Molly wants to go swimming, but we're not. It's too cold. But here's that view. There's the rock. So nice. So stuffed chicken is on the menu tonight. So I will see you when it's lean and green time. See you in a little bit. Guys, so it's lean and green time, and like I promised you earlier, we're gonna make a stuffed chicken breast, but we're gonna do it a little different. For some reason, when I bought this at Aldi the other day, I thought it was chicken breasts, but it's actually chicken tenders. So we're gonna modify this recipe a little bit. We are going to need a bag of spinach. You're not gonna need the whole bag, but I'm making this for the family, so I will need that. For purposes of being on the 5-in-1, you're gonna need Laughing Cow. You're gonna need some salt, pepper, and any seasonings that you like. I like oregano and garlic, so that's what I'm gonna use. And you could, like I'm gonna have as part of my vegetable tonight, cauliflower rice. So let's get into the cooking. All right, so again, here's all of the ingredients in case you want to screenshot it. There you have it. Okay, so let's get this prepped. So the first thing we're gonna do is open up the chicken, and I'm gonna put my cutting board out because we are going to be doing some surgery on the chicken breast. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I do this, and I'm gonna put some background music in. Just sit back, relax, watch how I do it, and if you have any questions, leave them below, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Here we go. right, how simple was that? So here are the 2 stuffed chicken breasts, as you saw. 1 Laughing Cow wedge per chicken tender or breast. So we had 4, so I used 4. So this way, each chicken breast has 1 condiment attached. All right, so technically I'm gonna eat both of these, which will equal out my protein. So I'll have 2 condiments on the side and a little bit of the vegetable with the spinach. So I'll have to add a little bit of more veg to that. So I'm gonna do some cauliflower rice when this is done. So we're gonna put it in the air fryer, and I'm gonna do 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna check it. So 10 minutes, and we'll see you back. All right, so let's take a peek. We're halfway in there. Actually, we're almost done. Let's take a peek. Oh yeah, we are looking good. A little longer, so I'm gonna do another 5 minutes. 5 more minutes, guys. We'll be back. All right, guys, so the timer just went off. Let's check it out. Oh, yes. All right, so let's put this aside, and I'm going to show you how we're going to plate this up. So even though that spinach is not a full green, I am only going to allow myself 2 servings of the cauliflower rice. So I'm going to do 180 grams of cauliflower rice. So let me get out my scale here. Hold on, guys. So you definitely need a food scale, right? So let's turn it on. And we want 180 grams. That's 2 servings. I'm going to zero my scale out. Whoops, I just turned off my scale. 180 grams of cooked cauliflower rice. We're at 67, 86, 105. As you can see, it's still a lot, isn't it? Like, this is a lot of veggie, but it's got really good fiber. It's going to fill you up. That's 182, so we'll remove a little, and we have exactly 180 grams. All right, so there's 180 grams of cauliflower rice. Let me zoom out. And I'm gonna turn this into a little bed of cauliflower rice. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna add on top of that. Hold on. Gonna add a little bit of I can't believe it's not butter spray. You don't have to do this. I like it on my cauliflower rice. Just a couple squirts. There you go. And for shits and giggles, I want to weigh the chicken stuffed just to see how many ounces this is. So we have 3 ounces. Okay, so it's 8 ounces. So I'm going to say without the stuffing, we have about 6 ounces, and that is your chicken breast. So 2 chicken tenders with the Laughing Cow, the spinach, and all of the seasonings on top of cauliflower rice with spray butter, guys. This is outstanding, and wait until you taste it. Easy, perfection. That is Lean and Green tonight. So let's take a bite. All right, time to dig in. So I'm gonna cut a little piece of this chicken off and show you. It's still moist, not dry. It's cooked through, and it's really hot. So this is gonna be a bite. Let's try it. Oh. Wow. That is full of flavor. That is really, really, really good, guys. Look at that. Perfect. Oh. Please make this. Absolutely. delicious. Look at that. Losing weight is so easy when you have quick and easy recipes. How much simpler can you get? An air fryer, almost everyone has one. And if you don't, cook it in your oven. Cook it in a toaster oven. There's ways to do this. But it was chicken tender, laughing cow, spinach, some seasoning, and cauliflower rice. And a little bit of spray butter. And a little bit of cooking spray. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I will clearly make more of these lean and green new recipes throughout the new year. That's a goal of mine, to create some new lean and greens. If you have any suggestions on things that you would like me to create, or different types of protein that you would like me to incorporate into a new lean and green recipe, one that you can't find anywhere, that's what I'm trying to do, let me know and I will see what I can come up with. Okay, so thumbs up, subscribe, join the Facebook group that I have, Keeping It Optavia with Feliciannurse. And as I always say, number one, stay focused, because we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.